How to deactivate Facebook account but keep Messenger active. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can deactivate Facebook but keep Messenger active. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, open up a Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, tap on your profile with the three line at the top right corner, and here tap on the settings icon. On the settings and privacy, tap on Meta Account Center at the top. Scroll down, tap on personal details. Here tap on the last option, account ownership and control. And then tap on deactivation or deletion. Then select your Facebook account and here select the first option that says deactivate account, then tap on continue. And then again tap on continue. Now for the security, you have to enter your Facebook password. So make sure you type in your correct Facebook password. Once you are verified, now you have to provide your reason why you want to deactivate your account. Then tap on continue. Now from here, confirm by tapping on continue. So once you confirm your Facebook deactivation and once your Facebook is deactivated, now what you have to do is you have to open up Messenger application. If you don't have Messenger in your device, install it or download it in your device. After that, on your Messenger, you have to log in with your Facebook credential. Here your Messenger will remain active and your friends can still message or call you. Your Facebook profile will be hidden, but your Messenger profile will stay active. So even if you deactivate your Facebook account, your Messenger account will remain active. That's it. That's how you can deactivate your Facebook but keep Messenger active. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.